How to fix messages notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, force stop messages. Now open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search messages, so, go back, click on three lines, turn on show system app button, click on OK, search messages, click on messages, scroll down, click on storage, go back. Here you will see force stop option. And if you want to messages force stop, then click on force stop. Click on OK. After click on OK, messages force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, check sleep mode. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on battery. Click on background usage limit. Here you will see put unused app to sleep. Now turn on this button. Never auto sleep apps. Select app. Click on add. After click on add, selected app will be added. Now go back. Click on sleeping apps. Click on add. Select app. Click on add. After click on add, selected app will be added from your sleeping apps. Now go back. After that, turn off DNS option. Now again open settings. Click on connections. Scroll down. Click on more connection settings. Click on private DNS. And if you want to turn off DNS, then click on off. off. Click on save. After click on save, turn off DNS. After that, reset all settings. Again open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset setting, your phone, all setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can messages notification not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.